balita na talagang nakalungkot, sumindak sa akin habang ako'y nasa Hong Kong, ay ang balita po na naghiwalay na si Bea at saka si Dominic. Nag-usap yung dalawa. Ano ang status? Wala. I think, kung tama ang aking source, Bea ay isinuli na ang kanilang engagement ring.
Bea Alonzo isinuli na ang engagement ring kay Dominic Roque. Kumpirmadong hiwalay na ang dalawa ayon kay Boy Abunda. Yes, hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea. TV host na si Boy Abunda, kinumpirma na hiwalay na sina Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque. Tama si OG Diaz po. As we talk today, yes, hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea. Sinusuyo ba si Bea? Are they still trying to talk? Siguro, maaari. Dahil sino ba naman ang ayaw maayos ang ganitong klase ng problema? Saad ni Boy sa isang episode ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda ngayong Martes. As a matter of fact, from good sources kagabi o nung isang gabi lamang ay nag-usap muli si Bea at saka si Dominic. They're trying to understand each other, but they're going through a rough patch. Dagdag pa nito, I am confirming yes, that hiwalay sila ngayon. Last night or 2 nights ago, nag-usap yung dalawa. Ano ang status? Wala. I think kung tama ang aking source, si Bea isinuli na ang kanilang engagement ring. Saad pa ni Boy Abunda. Komento naman ng ilang mga netizens. Saddest feeling for Bea for having failed relationship multiple times and even failed engagement, which all happened in public. Virtual hugs for you. Parang walang tumatagal kay Bea. Saklap naman kasi sa prenup na yan. Ganun ba ka-importante yun para sa mayayaman at maperang pamilya? Lakas din naman kasi maka-insulto ng ganon. Everything has a reason. God asked us to put something down because He is going to give us the better one. Anyway, let's not give any meaning to the reason for their breakup because we know that it is not easy for both of them, especially since this man's proposed to her last year. Let's just respect their decision and let one of them tell the story of the real reason for their breakup o dahil alam din nating sobrang busy ni Bea sa kanyang career at may bagong projects. Yung iba kasi, mahilig kumantsaw. Baka ganito talaga tayo. Dumadaan lang. Never to stay. Maybe we came to make each other happier. Baka dumating tayo para bigyan ng konting buhay ang buhay. Sabi na totoong hiwalay na talaga sila. Hindi kasi natin alam ang panahon o pangyayari sa hinaharap. Okay lang yan, Bea.